Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to set up CRANQ's engagement tools to help you build your targeted audience. First, you have to give permission for CRANQ to see your x.com account. Don't worry, we won't do anything bad. Then, our extension gives me an AI workout of my bio and profile, and I'm going to do a fast forward of this process because though it's very valuable, it's also self-explanatory. The system surfaces candidate users through content search, and then filters those candidates to find targets using AI profile analysis. I want to speak to solopreneurs, founders, and indie hackers. Those are my targets. If I go too narrow, for example, people who want a CRM for X, then the AI might not get this from the people's profile, and I won't get any targets. You have to think about how your target describes themselves. Next, I'm going to provide some content search terms to surface candidates. I'm talking about phrases or words that my targets might use in their posts. Let's try build in public. Okay, it's giving me some matches. I feel there are targets there. Secondly, I'll add SEO tools, which is a juicy one. Again, it's best to look for common phrases that your targets would use. Don't use specific niche phrases like find Zapier alternative, because it's something that people won't often tweet about and you won't get any candidates. Now this is done, CRANQ is going to use these search terms every day to find new people, check their profiles, and if appropriate, add them to my engagement list, which we'll configure here. Our extension is then going to maintain an X list of the people we just identified, adding new targets to the list every day and removing old prospects. The way to build your targeted audience is to engage with the targets on the list daily. People will see a notification about the list when they're added to it. So it's key to give it a nice complimentary name, like Intriguing Indie Hackers, or you can choose one from our selection. I'm going to go for Founder Focus. Then the follow manager will follow and eventually unfollow people on the list in a statistically optimized way to encourage them to follow us. So it's important that you keep that feature switched on. Great, all done. Our setup is complete and we can see our engagement list here on the homepage. If we click into it, we can see the criteria for list membership. Now we just spend around 20 minutes every day engaging with the content and the users on the list. It's beneficial to be generous with your likes and to write as many intriguing replies as you can. Now we're ready to engage. I just want to quickly cover our AI replies. To see them, we open up a post, click into the reply section, and click the CRANQ queue. The system suggests 3 possible replies. To be clear, we're not suggesting you should make any of these replies without editing them. This is very much a beta offering, and we're still working on them. But very often, there's the basis of a good reply there, so try them out.